this is an excellent partnership that we have between public safety and the Red Cross. Smoke detectors may seem like something so simple, but really, time saves lives. Smoke detectors save lives.
What's really cool about today is that this represents the next step in a really tremendous partnership with the Houston Fire Department. There's not probably a day or two that goes by without the Red Cross and the Houston Fire Department working together to respond to our clients and our communities and our families who live in our communities. And what I'm really excited about, that this is not just a one-off event. This is the first of three major events where the Houston Fire Department and the Red Cross have partnered to put in 3,000 smoke alarms. And so potentially the smoke alarm that you put in today will save a life.
Thank you especially to the Red Cross, the American Red Cross, and the Houston Fire Department. This type of event is at the intersection of a couple of core values for CenterPoint. One is community service, obviously, and the other is safety.
I am so honored and privileged to actually be amongst two agencies that help save lives. I'm here to present two certificates of congressional recognition to the Red Cross and to the Fire Department on the occasion of the Houston Fire Alarm installation. It does state that we're recognizing you and we take great pride in your commitment and in your work that you're tirelessly to reduce home fires in high-risk areas. Your dedication is worthy of the respect, admiration, and commendation of the United States Congress.
I'm very impressed and very grateful that there's an organization that's out there that's concerned about my safety and the safety of my 81-year-old mother. I'm also grateful that you're in this community, which there are a lot of elderly people that are unable to support themselves and provide safe environments for themselves. It's a matter of life and death. It's something that's essential in little apartments, complexes like these.